Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Porn. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Instagram Notes feature. First of all, open the App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure that your app is updated so that new features can be applied to your app too. Open your Instagram app and go to your messages section. Once inside messages, you can see a notes section at the top of the page. You can click on it to create a new note where you can type anything, or you can even add any music to your notes. You can also change the color to it, and you can share it to either your friends or your close friends list. That's it, you just posted a note and that's it. Your Instagram Notes feature is now active. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.